Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another daily plan with me. This week I'm planning for the week of June 20th through June 26th. So, this is gonna be a very busy week for me. I start my new job. This is not new in the sense of I don't have my other jobs. This is a job in addition to my other jobs. So I started on Sunday. Now, the good thing about it is I only work a few hours a day. I don't think I work more than 3 hours a day. And I think the only day I work 3 hours is next Saturday. But the schedule that I created after that, I'm actually gonna do, I have to work 5 hours on the weekend. So I'm just gonna do 2.5 Sunday and 2.5 Saturday. But this Sunday I'll be working 2 hours, and then Monday through Friday I'll work 2 hours, and then Saturday I'll work 3 hours. But the next week I'll be doing 2.5 to 2.5. That way, just trying to kind of spread it out. So this is in addition to my other job. And my other job I work 12 to 6 on Monday through Thursday, and then on Fridays I work 9 to 2. So yeah, I'm a busy little bee sometimes. And when I'm not working, I'm either watching dumb horror or on YouTube watching stuff. Well, I watch the dumb horror on YouTube because I found the movie section of YouTube. Or if I feel like sewing, I'll sew. If I feel like crafting, I'll craft. So it just depends on how I feel when I'm not working. Those are the things I'm doing. Either sewing, making stickers, t-shirts. Speaking of t-shirts, I need to make t-shirts. My great niece will be one at the end of this month. And my niece wants me to make t-shirts for her, both daughters, her husband, and my sister. So I need to make those t-shirts. They'll be sublimation t-shirts, not vinyl. It's a really cute design she got off of Etsy. So I need to make those on Saturday. That's the only thing I really need to do Saturday, because I recorded all of my videos today. Today is Friday, the Friday before this video goes up. I recorded my regular plan with me. This is the daily plan with me. I've recorded the sewing video. I haven't decided whether I'm going to do 1 or 2 sewing videos this week. Definitely going to do one. That one's already done. It's recorded. I got to edit it. It doesn't need any editing. It's just, I think in certain parts of the video I said I was going to pop a picture up on the screen, which I always kick myself in the foot when I say that, because I'm like, now you got to listen to the whole video to figure out what section of the video you need to pop the picture up. So it technically doesn't need editing. I just got to pop the pictures up that I said I was going to pop up on the screen. But I do kind of give myself a way out sometimes, because I say if I can find the picture. So if I don't pop a picture up, that means I couldn't find a picture. So, but I think the pictures I said I was going to pop up, I should be able to find them on my Instagram feed. So that's the only thing I have to do with those videos. I recorded 2. So if I don't post them both next week, I'll post one this week and one next week. I really want to do a bag making tutorial, but we'll see. We'll see if time permits for that. Other than that, I got a little studying to do. My niece wants me to help her with her homework. She's getting her bachelor's in education, and it's been a really long time since I've written any papers, and it's been at least since 2017. Last time I wrote a research paper. Yeah, so I need to look at that. I glanced at it the other day, but I was like, oh, I just can't. It seems like a lot. It's not that much, but it just seems like a lot when you haven't done it in a while. So I feel bad because I'm just not thinking about it, and it's 9 o'clock. It's 9 p.m. But after I worked today, after I got off work, I ran to Joann Fabrics. Is it Joann Fabrics or just Joann? I don't know. And I got some patterns. And I got a Happy Planner sticker book. I will do a video on that. And when I got home, I recorded the videos. I'm recording this video. And it just dawned on me that she wanted me to help her with her homework. It's due Sunday. So we still have time. I'm hoping that she got a little bit more done, because she got part of it done. So I'm hoping that she kind of buckled down and got a little bit more done. I'm not going to do it for her. That would defeat the whole purpose of her being in school. But I will give her suggestions and help her along the way. So I did not know that this month was Black Music Month. So I've been participating in this Black Music Month challenge. And every day they put a prompt up and ask you about different songs. I ask you a variety of different questions. What songs do you like? What songs do you hate? A lot of different questions, a lot of different prompts. So I've been having fun doing that, posting the songs in my Insta story. I have a million different Instagram pages for a million different things. I don't know why. I wish I could combine them all. But at this point, I may have to let at least one of them go. Not sure which one of them, but one of them may have to go. One of them I do post my sewing makes on. And that one I mostly have fun on. I'll repost funny TikTok videos and whatnot. It used to be my main sewing one because I used to only sew garments. And then when I started sewing handbags, I made another Instagram for handbags. because I was selling handbag patterns. And I don't know why I felt like I needed 2 separate pages for that, but what's done is done now. So that one is mostly for random things, I should say. And then the other page is for somewhat for handbag making, although I haven't made a handbag in forever. So I do post garments. I'll post reels of garments I made on that page. But I'm getting ready to start back doing handbag tutorials on my YouTube channel. I have 3 tutorials in mind. I just kind of have to get up and start putting them together. Hopefully I can get at least one done this weekend. It's not a priority. It's not set in stone because I've already recorded two YouTube videos for that channel. But it is something that's on my mind. And it's easy, so I may put it together and record it this weekend, maybe. Since I'm not in the training class anymore and I'm only working 2 or so hours a day, I have more time for sewing related things. And my stickers this week for the daily planner is sewing related. So this is the last day of the week. I always think these videos are going to be less than 10 minutes. They never are. Oh boy. I really want a B6 planner, spiral bound B6 planner. If you use a spiral bound B6 or if you know a company that sells them, let me know in the comments. I think Print Pressions has one. I think. I'm not sure if it's spiral bound or if it's the rings. There's another company I saw, but I can't think of the name of it right now. But for some reason, I want a B6 spiral for memory planning. Although I did find this little planner at Hobby Lobby. It was hiding in the clearance section. It was 99 cents. So it's not a B6. I think it may be a 7x9. But it's pretty much just like the B6 planner that I want. So I figure, hey, I have that one. It was only 99 cents. I need to pull that out and start using it. I want to use it for memory planning. But I need to do a little bit more research on memory planning. I do write in my planners everything that happens during the week. So I do have that part of memory planning down. It's just a part of laying down stickers and stuff. I think I cut my finger. I think it's a paper cut or something. My finger's burning. All right, well, here we go. This is the week. And it's all sewing related. This is thread. I didn't put any lotion on. This is sewing machines. This is, I want to say, safety pins. They're kind of small. You can't really see them. This is scissors. This is buttons. This is needle and thread. And this is dress forms. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.